In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed external stores on your WordPress.com site using a simple tutorial designed specifically for beginners. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll be able to showcase your external store effectively and enhance your website's functionality. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage everything related to your site. So go ahead and log in if you haven't, and you'll be taken straight to your WordPress dashboard. From here, we're going to focus on adding a new page. Look for the Pages tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on it will display all existing pages, but we're interested in something new. Next, you'll want to look for the Add Page button. This is usually found near the top of the Pages section. Clicking it will open up a fresh, blank canvas where you can create a new page. This new page will be where we embed your external store. Once you've opened the new page, you'll notice a plus icon, typically located near the text editor. This icon is your gateway to adding various elements to your page. Click on this plus icon to open a list of available blocks you can add to your page. What we want to do next is find the search bar. It's there to help you quickly locate the type of block you want to add. In this case, type Custom HTML into the search bar. Custom HTML is the block we'll use to embed your external store because it allows you to add your own custom code, essential when embedding external content. Once you've located the custom HTML block, click on it to add it to your page. This will open a field where you can input code. You'll need to copy the embed code from your external store and paste it into this field. Be sure to double-check the code for accuracy, as any errors could prevent your store from displaying properly. After you've entered the code, it's a good idea to preview your work to make sure everything looks right. Find the Preview button, typically located at the top right of the page. Click on it, and you'll be able to see what your newly embedded store will look like once published. This step is crucial to catch any potential issues before going live. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, it's time to make your page public. Find the Publish button, again, usually near the top right, and click it. Congratulations! Your page with the embedded external store is now live on your WordPress site. And there you have it. A simple way to embed an external store on WordPress.com. This is a great strategy for enhancing your website, offering visitors an integrated shopping experience directly from your site. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.